In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card payments, QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so your payment shows up correctly in your books and your reconciliation goes smoothly. First, sign into QuickBooks and head to the Bank Transactions page. This is where your connected bank and credit card feeds appear. If you have more than one account, make sure you're viewing the account the money came out of, usually your checking account. You want to find the bank feed line that represents the payment you made to your credit card. Open that transaction and look for the Payee field. Here, choose the credit card company you paid. If you don't see it listed, create a new payee with the card's name so your reporting stays clear. Assigning the correct payee helps you and your accountant instantly recognize what the transaction was for, and it keeps your vendor list accurate. Next, instead of categorizing this as a regular expense, choose the option to record as credit card payment. This tells QuickBooks that the money leaving your bank is going to a credit card liability account, not to an expense category. When you pick record as credit card payment, you'll also select which credit card account in QuickBooks the payment should apply to. Double-check you're choosing the exact card you paid, especially if you manage multiple cards. Before you finalize, confirm the date and amount match your bank statement. If both your checking account and your credit card are connected to bank feeds, you'll typically add the payment on the checking side using record as credit card payment, and then you'll see a matching transaction appear on the credit card side to match, not add again. Matching on the card side prevents duplicates in your register. When everything looks right, click Add to save it. QuickBooks will post the payment to your credit card account and reduce the balance accordingly. If your payment was a partial amount, that's fine. This method still applies. It will simply reduce the balance by that amount. If your payment included separate bank fees, record those as a separate expense transaction so the payment line stays clean. As a quick check, you can glance at the credit card register to see the payment reflected. Keeping these payments properly recorded makes your month-end reconciliation faster and ensures your credit card balance in QuickBooks mirrors your statement. That's all there is to it. Use the Payee field, choose Record as credit card payment, and add.